we divide 292 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 9 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 2. So it became 12 and 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 0. So 292 divided by 2 is 146. So this much for today and thanks for watching.